Okay, let's have this one. Determine the location of the centroid of a half-right circular cone. So using our axis of symmetry, plane of symmetry natin, saan kaya located yung centroid natin? Di ba yung centroid natin is x bar, y bar, z bar. So ano yung mazizero natin dito? Okay, y and z mazizero. So yung hahanapin natin dito is ito na lang. So this one here are all zero. No? So to do that, i-redraw muna natin to, no? Sa side view natin, ito yung mafo-form natin, no? This is our x, this is our y. No? So i-off muna natin to. Okay, wait lang. Yung length natin dito, this is h. And then yung drawing natin dito, i-redraw ko na lang ulit, no? This length here, this is our a. And this is our x. Sige, i-off muna natin to. So ayan. So yung nahanap natin dito is x bar. Ano ulit yung formula natin? We have x bar is just equal to integral of xl dA over ay v na pala tayo, no? Volume. So palitan natin yan ng volume. Okay, so volume na tayo. Okay. Now, kung sa 2D, yung na-slice natin doon is rectangular strip. Now ito, kung i-slice natin to, ano kaya yung shape? Rectangular strip pa rin? Hindi. No, kung i-slice natin to, yung shape na ma-slice natin is a semicircle. No? So yan yung strip natin. So kung sa XY plane, yung makikita natin figure is parang ganito lang. So ito yung shape niya, rectangle. Pero kung titingnan natin in isometric view, semicircular. Semicircular disc. No? So ano yung volume nito? Ano yung volume ng strip natin? Di ba kung meron tayong strip, we denote that as D something, no? dV, dl, dx, no? So ito, ano yung elemental volume natin dito? So paano natin yan makukuha? No? Ano yung dV natin? dV. dV is just, ano yung thickness natin dito? Thickness nito? No? Along x man tayo, so yung thickness natin dito is, okay, we have dx. Tama? So we have dx. And then yung area niya dito, area is semicircle. No? Semicircle. Ano yung area ng semicircle? Area ng semicircle. 1/2 pi r squared. Tama? No? So, di ba yung radius natin is dito, papunta dito. This is our radius. No? So, yung height ng strip natin, ito, this is actually r. Tama? Tama ba? R. So, therefore, yung area natin dito is 1/2 pi r squared. No? So therefore, the volume here is just, paano natin kunin yung volume nito? Area times thickness lang. Tama? So ano yung area? 1/2 pi r squared. Ano yung thickness? Okay, we have dx. So ayan lang. No? Ano yung next step na gagawin natin dito? Next step is i-locate natin yung centroid ng element natin. Di ba kanina yung rectangular strip, we have XL, YL. Dito naman sa 3D, we have XL, YL, and ZL. No? XL, YL, and ZL. No? So yung XL natin is from this point papunta dito. No? This is our XL. No? And that is equal to this point here. This is our X. Tama? So therefore, our XL is just equal to X. Tama ba? How about YL? Ay, ZL na lang, ZL. ZL. So sa ZL natin, kung titingnan natin dito, semicircle, ayan yan, no? And then, ito siya is Y, dito is Z. May imagine nyo? No? So nasaan yung ZL natin? ZL natin is 0. Tama? So therefore, ZL here is 0. Tama ba? So, ayan. Tama. How about YL? YL. So, YL, somehow, yung, ano natin, yung circle natin dito, nandito yung YL. No? Somewhere dito. This is YL. Ayan. Now, circle man to, semicircle. Ano to equal? This is equal to quarter circle? Ano pa yun? 4r over 3 pi? No? Ay, hindi. Sa ano yun? Sa quarter circle. Ito siya is semicircle. Ano yun sa semicircle? Ay, lagi 4r over 3 pi, quarter circle. No? So, we have here, nasa table to, no? 4r over 3 pi. So, sige. Solve na natin. Ano yung mga kailangan natin? Itong numerator at saka itong denominator. So, solve natin muna yung denominator. So, V. Ano yung V natin? That is just the integral of lahat ng mga maliliit na elemental strip natin or elemental na volume natin. No? So, that is equal to the integral of, ano yung dV natin? Okay, we have, pwede natin mapalabas yan, no? 1/2 pi integral of r squared dx. Ma-integrate to, hindi? Hindi. Dapat palitan natin yung r in terms of x. So, saan natin makikita yan? Ano yung relationship ng r sa x natin? May makitaan ba kayo na relationship? Yung r at saka x? Ano yung height natin ulit dito? This is a, di ba? Tama? This is a. Kung titingnan nyo dito, ito. If this is a, this is h. Tama? Now, if this is r, ito r, di ba we know that this point here, ito, this is our x, tama? No? Di ba ito yung x natin? Then ito yung r natin. So therefore, the relationship here is similar triangles. The ratio of x over r is just equal to the ratio of a over h. Similar triangles lang, di ba? Kasi itong triangle na to is similar with this triangle. So the ratio of their sides are both equal. No? So we have here our x is just equal to a over, ay hindi, our r pala. Our r is just equal to h over a x. Tama? Tama? So ayan, so substitute natin dito. This is equal to 1/2 pi integral of h over a x squared dx. Since h and a, they are constant, pwede natin mapalabas. No? So therefore, ito, matitira dito is 1/2 pi times h over a integral of x squared dx. So ano yung integral of x squared dx? We have x cubed over 3. Evaluated from, since x tayo, x, evaluated from 0 to h. So we have 0 to h. So substitute natin yan, we have 1/2 pi h over a times h over 3, ay h cubed. Squared ba? Ha, ano? Ay, may squared pa to? Ay, oo, may squared pa to. Sorry. H cubed over 3. Okay na ba? So, ayan lang. So, yung v natin dito, this is equal to, pila na siya? 1 over 6. Saan na ito pagsulat? Pi na lang, no? We have h to the 5 over a. Tama ba? Ay, may squared pa. So, ayan. Parang may mali. Wait lang. H squared, we have 1/2 pi. Ay, nagkabaliktad. We have x over r. Ay, h over a, sorry. Baliktad pala to. Ahay. Ano yun? R, ay xr, ha. Ha. So this one here is a over h. Agoy. Baliktad man. So, this one erase lang natin. Okay pa kayo? Sige. Sige lang ha. Baliktad lang muna natin to. We have a and then h dito. And then this one here is a and then h natin. So this one here is pila to? A squared and then yung h squared, no? A squared, ay, wait. May h. Ayan. Tama na, no? So, ayan. Nag-record ba? Oh. Sige, follow. So, nakuha na natin yung denominator. Punta naman tayo sa numerator. So, ano yung numerator natin? Integral of XL dV. So, that is integral of, ano yung XL natin? XL is just X. Ano naman yung dV natin? dV is just this one here. So, we have 1/2 pi r squared dx. No? So, palitan natin to, factor out, 1/2 pi, integral of, ano yung r squared natin? This one, squared lang natin to, tama? So, we have here, x times a over h, x squared, no? Ano times squared? Tama ba? Sakto ba? Na-trauma na ba? Madlock masayo. 1/2 x squared. Sige. So, ito, pwede natin mapalabas yan. We have 1/2 pi a squared over h squared and then integral of x cubed dx. So, that is equal to 1/2 pi a squared over h squared x to the 4 over 4, 0 to h. So, this one here, that is equal to 1/2 pi, ay hindi, 1/8 na, no? 1/8 pi a squared, ano naman? H squared. Tama? Tama na ba? Sure na ba? So, this is integral of XL dV. So, ayan lang. No? So, sige, ready na tayo mag-substitute. So, yung x bar natin is just integral of XL dV over V, which is equal to 1/8 pi a squared h squared over 1/6 pi a squared h. So, cancel, 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 cancel. This becomes 3/4 h na lang, no? So, therefore, x bar here is just 3/4 h. So, ayan. Klaro? Wait lang. Hindi pala 0 yung y natin dito. No? Yung 0 natin is along z lang. Kung titingnan mo dito, hindi 0 yung y. Kasi half lang ng cone natin. Kung buo yung cone natin, yung y natin is 0. Kaso half man. So yung y natin is meron pang height sa taas. No? So, mali tayo dito. Meron pa tayong kukunin na y bar. Grabe kataas. Kukunin pa natin? Ha? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, sige, nakuha na naman natin yung volume, di ba? Ano yung formula ulit ng y bar? Y bar is just integral of YL dV over V. Nakuha na natin yung V, ito na lang. No? So, sige, erase natin to. Palitan natin ng YL. No? Then, ito din, erase natin to. So, sige, YL. Sige lang, last na to. YL dV integral. So, ano yung YL natin? YL is? Oh, ito. 4r over 3 pi. Tama? So, we have 4r over 3 pi. Ano naman yung dV? 1/2 pi r squared dx. So, isimplify lang natin to. We have cancel yung pi, no? So, cancel din to. Magiging 2/3, no? 2/3. Tama ba? 2/3 integral of r cubed dx. Sige. 2/3 integral of, ano yung r? We have a over h x cubed dx, no? This is equal to 2/3 a cubed, 2/3 a cubed, h cubed, and then ito siya is evaluated from, wait lang, evaluated from since, ay dx pa rin tayo, no? So that is from 0 to h pa rin. So we have here h4 over 4. Tama ba? So ayan. So we have cancel, cancel. So we have here 1/6 a cubed h. Tama. So sige. So solve na natin for y bar. Y bar is just integral of YL dV over V, which is equal to 1/6 a cubed h over the volume is pi a squared h. So cancel, cancel. cancel, cancel, cancel. So yung matitira is A over pi lang. So this one here, y bar is just A over pi. Sige, yan lang, no? Ewan ko kung makaya natin i-exam within 1.5 hour lang yung lahat na to. No? Kaya ba? So, practice talaga mag-solve ng pinapaspas, no? Kay before sa amin yung exam is lahat talaga lalabas, no? So, composite for line, area, at saka volume. And then non-composite na line, area, at saka volume, plus Papus Goldinos, plus yung isa pang application. 8 problems sana. So, paano natin yan i-compress into 1.5 hour na exam? Isod kaayo, no? Ano na lang kaya, no? Yung, ay, pwede pa stop.